how to remove previously synced Facebook friends on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove previously synced Facebook friends on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile here, and after click on it, click the storylines in the top corner and then click settings and privacy, and now just click privacy and then click sync contacts and Facebook friends, and here you will find it remove previously synced Facebook friends. Just click on it and click remove. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.